Now to the controversial immigration law SB 4. The Supreme Court blocked Texas again from enforcing it, at least for now. It gives police the power to arrest migrants suspected of entering the country illegally. Channel 5's Brenda Villa talked with two immigrant rights organizations suing Texas over SB 4. She's in San Juan with more.
This controversial law will not take effect anytime soon. La Unión del Pueblo Entero is one of the many organizations challenging SB 4 in the courts. The Supreme Court is keeping Senate Bill 4 on hold indefinitely. On Monday, the court blocked the state from enforcing the controversial immigration law. It gives local and state cops the right to arrest people they suspect of being in the country illegally. SB 4 has set off debates between lawmakers and civil rights organizations.
One of the major challenges that we have with SB 4 is that community members who already have legal status and who have had legal status for a while will now be subject to criminalization and detention and potentially deportation.
Tania Camacho is executive director with La Unión del Pueblo Entero in San Juan. She says Lupe and 4 other members of the organization are plaintiffs in a lawsuit against Texas in federal court. The lawsuit was filed last week and alleges that 4 members of Lupe have pending applications that could grant them legal status or citizenship. She says under the new law, they would be subject to state criminal charges.
When they're witnessing you that you're entering the country, they can remove you. But the other one is if you, at any point in time, you have been found to have entered the country without authorization. And that is a piece of the legislation that makes it harmful to our community members specifically.
Last December, the ACLU of Texas filed a lawsuit on behalf of 2 other immigration organizations, Las Americas Immigrant Advocacy Center in El Paso and American Gateways based in Central Texas. The organizations claim SB 4 gives cops in Texas the right to racially profile anyone.
SB 4, which is essentially legalized racial profiling, I potentially could look like an immigrant to some police officer in a different circumstance. If I'm jogging by the border highway here in El Paso, Texas, hey, did you happen to cross legally? I can get asked that, and it'll just be perceived on my physical image and the fact that I'm near the border.
Dominguez says the law would install fear in undocumented communities across the state. People will hesitate to call 911 or speak Spanish in public. Dominguez says the federal government has the right to enforce immigration laws over any state law. Oral arguments over SB 4 are scheduled next month in the 5th Circuit Court of Appeals. In San Juan, Brenda Villa, Channel 5 News at noon.